back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video, I wanted to do a quick CVS haul for you guys. I just got back from CVS and I found some pretty good deals on some hair products this week and also some cereal. But they also have some great makeup deals this week that I haven't got because when I was in the store, I forgot basically what kind of color foundation I use and I don't want to get the wrong one. So I am going to go later on this week to get the deals on makeup later on this week. But for today, I found some great deals, like I said, on hair products and cereal. So I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys buy the same products and want to find these deals out there, you can. All of the deals that I got, I did use manufacturer coupons that you get in your Sunday paper. So if you are a couponer, you should have these coupons, especially if you got the last week's coupons, because most of the coupons I used today was the one that was this past Sunday's paper. So the deals that I'm going to share with you today are good till Sunday. And yeah, let's just jump right in the haul so I can share with you guys the deals that I got so I can hurry up and put them away. So first, let me start off with the deal that they had on cereal. And they had certain General Mills cereals that were marked down to $1.99. Now, I'm always getting the Cinnamon Toast Crunch ones marked down to $1.99. They do this like I think every other week or every 2 weeks. They mark them down to $1.99. And if you get the coupon that's $1 off two, they'll make them even cheaper, make them $1.49. But I didn't have any coupons because I was kind of not couponing recently and I didn't get any. So I still got them for $1.99, which is a good deal. But if you do have those $2 off one General Mills cereal coupons, use them here and you can get each box for $1.49. They also had the Honey Nut Checks, which they never do, on sale as well for $1.99. So I definitely picked up 2 of those as well. They only had 2 left in this in the store that I had. So when I go back to get the makeup, if they have more, I will stock up because $1.99 is a good stock up price for cereal, especially these General Mills cereals. Now over here, I bought me 2 of the foam soap of Dow. You guys do know that I use my Grove Collaborative soaps all the time. I make my own soap, but for some reason somebody threw away one of our dispensers and I needed to get a new foam soap dispenser. So I was like, you know what, might as well buy it. They were on sale this week. So they were on sale for 2 for $4. And then there was a coupon in this past Sunday's paper, which was $1 off 2, which made these 2 for $3, which made them $1.50 each, which I think this is great because it's a brand name soap. So it's actually around the price that you would get something at Dollar Tree. So I liked it. I love when I can get that they were already on sale for 2 for $4. And then I had a coupon that made them, you know, $1.50 each. So that's, if you don't have a coupon, it still will be 2 for $4, which still is a good deal. $2 for the foam soap. But if you do have the coupon, like I said, it'll make them $1.50 each. Next, I got a bunch of conditioner. As you guys know, I have my girls have curly mixed hair, so conditioner is a must in this household. So I always stock up when I can. So this week they had the whole blends, which is one of my favorite things to use on my daughter's mixed hair. So also my niece who's mixed with Puerto Rican and black, just like my daughters. She loves using this for her hair all the time. And so they had these on sale 2 for $7. And then they had a coupon in this past Sunday's paper, $3 off 2, which made these 2 for $4. So it's like $2 each. And this was part of the spend 30 and you get a $10 cashback card, kind of like a gift card. So if you spend 30 on the certain products that they had in the catalog, you get $10 back, which the stuff that I got did qualify. The cereal was part of it and also this. So I did get the $10 back from the spend 30 get 10. So, but if you don't spend 30 get 10, it's still only $2 each, which is a good price. But again, I don't know how much I did spend on it because it takes it gives you $10 off the whole 30, but it was less than $2 each for me. But like I said, if you don't spend 30, then it's still $2 and it's a good deal. So this one, the Garnier Fructis, was also on sale for, let me see, it was on sale for 2 for $7. And then they had a coupon in this past Sunday paper that was $4 off 2, which made these 2 for $3, which made them $1.50 each. Good deal. The L'Oreal hair care was also on sale 2 for $8, and then they had a $4 off coupon, a $4 off 2 coupon as well, which made these 2 for $4. And again, these were part of the spend 30 and you get $10 back. And then this one by itself, which is a deep conditioner, they had this brand and then 3 other ones that were deep conditioners as well. But this one was the one that's like a leave-in conditioner that's like more, I guess, more potent than the other ones. And this one was actually a 5.1 ounce. The other ones are just 6 ounce. And I figured they were all both on sale for, let me see, what did I write it down for? It was on sale for, where did I write that down at? Oh, they were on sale for $4.99. They're normally, this one's normally $8.99 or $7.99, but they were marked down to $4.99. And then there was a coupon in the Sunday paper, $3 off one, which made these $1.99, guys, which is a good deal for these deep conditioners. And this one's actually a leave-in one, so it's great for your hair, especially for mixed girl hair. And also, I've got my hair colored, so I needed something like this to basically re-nourish my hair. So, and also this was part of, again, the spend 30 and you get $10 back. So all of this, basically, my total came out to $12 because I also had $4 extra care buck, and then I got the $10 cash buck, the $10 cash card back. So basically, I spent $2 for all of this. But I also had coupons, like I said, with my coupons, and then I had the $4 extra care buck before. So, but again, you guys will get these deals even if you don't have the extra care bucks to start off with. This by itself is $1.99, which is good. These come out for, let me go back. These come back out for $2 each. These are $1.50 each. These are $2 each as well. These come out to $1.50 each. These come out to $1.99. But again, if you have a coupon, it'd be $1.49. And then, like I said, when you spend $30, you get $10 back to use on your next order. So great deals this week. I was really proud of my purchases. So that was my deal for CVS this week so far. Like I said, I haven't gone to get the makeups yet. I just wanted to really quick make a quick video with you guys because I know a lot of you guys do coupon and you guys want to see what's on sale at CVS this week, and because everybody hauls different things and everybody buys different things. So I know that it helps you guys to know what's out there at CVS so that you're not in the stores wasting time trying to figure out what's on sale. So that's why I wanted to make a quick video for you guys to share with you guys what I found. And that spend $30 and get $10 back is great. And there's a lot more products that are included in that spend 30, get 10 back. There's paper products, there's other food products. So you don't necessarily have to purchase what I did. But as you can see, I didn't purchase that much and I got the $10 cash card back. So great deals this week. Whenever you can get name brand conditioners for less than $2 each, that's a great deal. And especially when you can get boxes of cereal for less than $2, that's a great deal because they tend to be $3.60 to $4 for those small boxes. So anytime I can get them for under $2 is a great deal. So I hope I helped you. I hope I helped you guys out with these, sharing these deals with you guys. And if you found any deals in CVS that you want to share, leave them in the comments down below because we still got time until Sunday to go get deals. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.